Hello everyone and welcome to Techno Home channel.
Hello, is it me
In the previous videos we talked about many basic stuff that most people may have struggled with. And in this video we're going to talk about where you can get the latest drivers for your PC or laptop. Before getting started, we will be so thankful if you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's bring it on. Firstly, we will start with laptops since from my knowledge most people are all laptop users. Well, for a laptop it's always better to use drivers from the official manufacturer. They all have websites which you can download your drivers from. I have opened their websites here. As an example, firstly we have Asus website for downloading. You can just type the model of your laptop here. Mine is G530RM. Then you have to check which one's yours and done. The next thing is Surface. For Surface devices, firstly you will need to choose the Surface family you have. As an example, I have this Surface Go, but yeah, I will go with the Surface Go 2 version. And here you can see in the details which drivers and for which windows are available. Okay, the latest one here is Windows 10. I just tap on download and it is just an MSI format file which you install and done. For Lenovo, the only thing you need to do is choosing the detect product. Then it will ask you to allow the browser to detect your actual system specs, and then you can download drivers for your specific model number. For MSI, it's too simple. You just have to select whether you have a laptop or desktop, which series it is, content creation. As an example, I go with the laptops, the Titan G series SL, and yeah, then you can find your specific laptop model and download drivers for HP, it's simple. You just enter your serial number and done. For Dell, it's the same. You just write their serial number or the model name exactly as it is. Same for the Acer. You can just write the serial number or the SNID or model number. For Huawei, you need to install an application named as Huawei PC Manager, and then you can download your drivers from. And for Xiaomi, there are a few models available, but yeah, you have link to download all the drivers for the specific models right here. Some manufacturers also offer some applications which you can download from Microsoft Store or directly from their website. As an example, we have my Asus for Asus devices which you can download drivers from. We have MSI Center again, which you can control your device with it. We have Lenovo Vantage available here, and at the end we have SupportAssist for Dell, which I will link the download link down below in the description, and done. Well, others I didn't mention here probably didn't have an application to download drivers for, so you will need to use their website instead. To mention, you better download the graphics drivers for Intel and NVIDIA and AMD directly from their websites, because manufacturers are usually lazy to update them on their website. Another method is just heading into this Windows settings, go to Windows updates, and then check for updates. If there is any drivers here which you don't have installed, or any updates which need to be updated, it will be shown here. and don't forget to check optional updates as well.
Okay.
For PCs, you better use Windows Update to get drivers from, but you will need to install display drivers manually like AMD and NVIDIA. And at the end, for PC users and those who use very old laptops which are out of official driver support, I suggest you some tools. My suggestions are firstly Driver Booster here, and DriverMax, which you can download the latest drivers which are compatible with your hardware. But there is one point I gotta mention. You better make a restore point of your device before updating your drivers using these tools. So in case anything happens, like drivers incompatible with your hardware or blue screens happening, you can just restore to the point where your PC or laptop has been working just fine. And here's how you can do it. So as an example, we have a fully functional PC right here. We type create a restore point. So this is my system drive. I tap on configure, make sure this is on turn on system protection. This should be something around 3 to 6%. That's okay. Tap on apply. Okay, and now create the restore point. You can choose a name for it. As an example, 100% working, and tap on create. Wait for a few minutes until it's done. And yeah, now if anything happens, you can just use the restore point and your system will be fine again. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or questions, don't forget to write them down below in the comment section. I will try my best to answer all of them. Also, don't forget to support us by liking our video, subscribing to our channel, and also don't forget to ring that bell so you won't miss our future videos. See you in the next videos and peace.